Viewfinder. Focus unlocked. Image. Pause recording. Take picture. Pause recording. Button.
Okay. So here I am. I have the flex line. As you can see, there's no wrench on this or nothing to make it work. So I'm gonna have to use vice grips. But I don't want to replace the line. The line seems good, but it's just the
Zero
fitting's
people.
messed up. Well, the fitting's not even messed up. I just can't turn it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn this fitting onto it. Hope you can see what I'm doing here. Turn it down here and see. So there's the line.
Zero people.
Because to run this line, a new line, like the lines look great, just these fittings look awful. They won't turn on the lines, which it's okay.
Zero people.
There we go. We got that on there.
Zero people.
These little vice grips on up here. To keep it from spinning and dabbing the line. It looks like I used the small ones last time for the other way, so let's put the big ones up there first.
Zero people.
I just did the other side, and the other side worked out great. I like it right nice and tight on the
Zero people.
fitting. I want to grab right there on that. See right there, that smooth part. May take a bit of time, but it take a heck of a lot longer to change the line.
Zero people.
Let's turn a little more by hand. Okay.
Zero people.
I'm gonna have to do one whole revolution. That should bring her tight. On the other side, it worked out perfectly. That's my vice grips.
Zero people.
I went that far. Inside the jack. Get this done because it's getting cold on my bum.
Zero people.
Loose this off a bit. change the angle of this. There we go.
Zero people.
Not easy. Push it down. Pop it.
Zero people.
Now if I make this as tight as I can, and it leaks, then it looks like we're going to be into a line. But I've never had it leak so far. Never say never.
Zero people. Zero people.
Quarter turn to go.
Zero people.
We're almost there.
Zero people.
A tiny bit more.
Zero people.
Let Chip do it. See the little slot to sit up into? And put our little screw in. We're good. So that's ready to go. We just need new nuts for it. Hopefully that don't leak. It shouldn't.
Zero people.
And everything will be in here like brand new. And up front is all good. So that's how you put it in if you don't want to destroy a line.
Zero people.
It'll work if you can get it tight enough. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you learned something. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I appreciate it. Could use all the support I can, and hopefully that helps other people too.
Take picture button.
Because I'm pretty sure a lot of
One face near
people
top edge.
could use help. And it doesn't matter what this
Near bottom edge.
You can do it if you put your mind to it.
Near bottom right edge.
Watching.
Stop recording video button.